everybody! My name is Benita Binoy and today I am going to make a recipe that my brother loves a lot.
And you know she took 15 minutes to get ready to impress y'all.
Go away. All of y'all must be familiar with mango malpua and rabdi. Today my take on this dish is going to be really healthy for all the calorie conscious people and those who wish to be size 0. Today I am going to make mango malpuas in jaggery syrup with thandai rabdi. Yay! My twist of jaggery syrup and adding thandai powder to the rabdi. So let's begin with the thandai rabdi recipe. For the thandai rabdi, we have to first make the thandai powder. The ingredients for the thandai powder are cashew, almond, melon seeds, fennel seeds and cardamom. Usually for Holi festival, this powder is added to milk and served as a refreshment. For some flavor, I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. Now I am going to put these ingredients in a mixer and grind them into powder. So my homemade thandai powder is ready, from which I have taken 2 tablespoons to use in my recipe. For the rabdi, I need milk and sugar, including the homemade thandai powder. Now I am going to add 3 cups of milk. Let the milk boil. Our milk is boiling, so now I am going to add sugar into it. It is important to keep on stirring the milk so that it does not get burnt. Our milk has now reduced to half the quantity. Now I will be adding the thandai powder to the milk. When the milk gets stuck to the pan sides, it is important to scrape it and continue stirring. A safety tip for everyone. It takes time to cook rabdi and you have to keep on stirring. So while cooking rabdi, make sure you use a spoon with a long handle. Otherwise, you might end up cooking your fingers. My milk has become thick. Allow it to cool down. Later, I will place this mixture in the fridge to chill. By then, it will become more thicker. Now, my mangoes are ready for pulping. The mango pulp is ready. So let's prepare the mango malpuas. I have taken 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of semolina, 2 tablespoons of cream, and I will add my mango pulp. Now I am going to whisk my ingredients and we'll add little milk whenever required because we have to create a batter that is thin, like a pancake batter, or maybe thinner than dosa batter. Now our batter is ready. It should be of this consistency. I'll show you all. Like this. It should be of a free flow consistency. To this, I will be adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. And let's whisk it. The batter is ready and now let's allow it to rest for 30 minutes. And I am going to make my jaggery syrup, the healthy syrup. 1½ cup of jaggery, grated jaggery. To this, I add 1½ cup of water. To enhance the flavor, this time I am going to add crushed fennel seeds. So here they are, around half a teaspoon. I am crushing them so that their flavors and essences come out. Now I am going to add this powdered fennel seeds to the jaggery mixture. I will let this mixture to boil until it is reduced to half the quantity. When I make my malpuas, the batter scatters and they end up shaping like the map of India. But anyway, who cares? As long as they are tasty.
Hello, I care. I want my malpuas to become perfect round.
Okay, I have an idea. I'm going to use this throwable can and make a mold out of it. My ring mold is ready. I am heating the ghee to shallow fry my malpuas instead of deep frying them. This is one of my health approach. At the same time, I am cooking my jaggery syrup. Now the ghee is hot. I am going to use my ring now to get the perfect shaped malpuas as per my brother's demand. Cook the malpuas on low flame, and once they turn golden brown, flip the side. Ooh, my trick is working. Don't they look perfect round? Now my mango malpuas are ready. Along with the thandai rabdi and the healthy jaggery syrup. I want my plate to look beautiful and drooling. I am pouring the jaggery syrup over the malpuas for soaking. This is my healthy twist for our traditional malpua and rabdi. Like it?
Oh, I am here.